Hello everyone, my name is Shannon. I am a healthcare provider and I am bringing you this PSA about Cylandrum clearosis, which is a fairly new microbe that we are still learning a lot about and poses many dangers to the healthcare community. Please feel free to pass this on to coworkers and colleagues in order to better prepare the healthcare community. Cylandrum clearosis is a bacteria, which is a unicellular prokaryote. These prokaryotes lack organelles and a membrane-bound nucleus. They have a cell wall and they contain a nucleoid in the intracellular space that houses the genetic material. Pictured here is the general appearance of Cylandrum clearosis. As you can see, circled in the top right corner is the fimbriae, which is located on the outside of this bacteria and allows for attachment to the host. This bacteria also contains a gram-negative cell wall, which is harder to penetrate, leading to higher resistance. Finally, this rod-shaped bacteria contains one flagellum at the end, which contributes to its movement. So far, this bacteria has only been found on the fish that reside in Clear Lake in California. It's a warm water lake, as this microbe prefers warm and moist environments, which also makes the human body a great host. Any extreme heat or cold can harm this microbe, so proper storage and preparation of the fish found in this water can kill it and prevent the spread of this microbe. This bacteria replicates in the body through a process called binary fission, as seen here, where the cell wall, cell membrane, and nucleoids split and become two new cells. Generally, this microbe is transmitted through ingestion of poorly prepared fish, and it travels through the digestive system, affecting all of the organs that you see here. But it can also be transmitted through bodily fluids of an infected person, such as saliva, urine, and feces. What we know is that the first case of this infection was a fisherman who caught a fish in Clear Lake and didn't properly prepare it before eating it. He ingested the microbe and it entered the digestive system and began replicating, leading to this infection. In the human body, this microbe targets the digestive system, leading to improper digestion of food, malnutrition, and failure to filter toxins. Eventually, the organs will begin to shut down and this infection will lead to death. As of right now, this remains a local concern only, as this microbe has only been found in this one lake. However, investigations are going on to make sure that this does not become a nationwide or worldwide concern. As of right now, there is no cure for this infection. The focus is on treating the patients to make them as comfortable as possible until they pass. For those in the general public who may be fishing in this lake, it is important to properly store and prepare the fish in order to avoid infection by this microbe. And for those in the healthcare community who may be treating these patients who have this infection, it is very important to wear proper PPE, such as goggles, gowns, and gloves, and masks in order to prevent the contact with bodily fluids of an infected person. Thank you for listening, and please stay safe.